We know all these changes can impact your money, including retirement savings like 401ks. Watching those numbers drop can feel devastating. So what should you do? Our Nikki Hauser talked with a financial advisor to get some answers.
In the last couple of weeks, watching stocks has been like riding a roller coaster. Recent White House decisions have largely affected the market.
The things that are weighing on the market right now, and the concerns that people have, one of them, of course, is the tariffs.
President Trump's tariffs in part have led to drastic drops and sudden surges in the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P 500. And because stock investments are tied to your 401k, you may have seen the same shifts in your retirement plan.
Now imagine you got $1 million saved up in your retirement accounts and now it's worth $650. That would freak a lot of people out. Right?
Hank Parrott, a financial advisor who also hosts the Retirement Report on NewsChannel 5 Plus, says this scare actually happened in 2020 during the COVID pandemic, but ultimately turned around by the end of the year. He predicts the same thing will happen this year. So his advice, stay invested.
When you're pre-retirement and you're putting money in and the market goes down, I just keep feeding it, right? Because the shares are going down in price, so I get more shares for the same amount of money. So now when the market turns, and it always does, right? So when it turns, now I've got more shares. I actually am going to advance even faster, recover faster from that down market.
Parrott says if you're close to retirement, you can also refine your strategy, like choosing bonds over stocks to reduce your risk. And if you need money right now, still try not to withdraw your 401k. He says instead, consider options like an annuity to ensure a steady flow of income. That's a contract where you pay a lump sum to an insurance company and in return get regular income payments.
So when you look at investing, right, in particular, if you're investing for retirement, you're long-term investors. So we want to think long-term, not worry too much about some of the little static that we're seeing right now.
While nothing is certain, Parrott predicts an upswing in the coming months.
Write it down. You'll be okay.
Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.
Nikki's with us now. All good advice. And of course, one of the best ways to get really good advice is to go contact a financial advisor in person.
100%. And I actually did a story about this last week.
That's
you
right.
can get free financial advice through something called the Reset Program, especially if you live in Davidson County. They go a little bit outside, but for people living in Davidson County, it's a great resource.
Info about that is on our website still,
Exactly,
right?
as always.
Great advice. Thanks, Nikki.